So let's just take a look at this little magnetic block builder. It's very Minecrafty-esque. I'm going to say the packaging is nice on this. I really like the look of it. I like the texture, but really the treat of this all is just these little blocks are just absolutely fun to play with. If you're like me, loves tactile things, the sound that kind of goes with these is just a neat little sound that they end up having. So you have your water ones, you have your wood, you have your grass, and then you have your brick ones that you have. And again, just that sound is so appealing. So if you wanted to build something with it, they are just magnetized and they can be put in any different type of arrangement that you end up wanting to have. So they do look and connect just like you kind of think things in Minecraft would. We can put a little bit of grass in those areas. If we want to stagger those up a little bit, we definitely can. Okay, so we can have our little building there, and then we can tier that up with our little bit of dirt that we have. And then if we wanted to build a house, we can start just to stagger these up and just to make some cool little structures with them. So it's not like Lego that has actual parts that connect. Everything here is just by magnets, and they are super easy to build with. You don't really have to worry about sides. If you have smaller, younger kids, definitely these would be awesome for them to build with. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm super impressed, and it's really fun and tactile. Comes with a nice little carrying bag for all of your parts, and yeah, good little toy.